Hey and welcome to this new video of learning JavaScript or ECMAScript6. So in this video we will learn all about condition, if and else condition, and also I will explain to you this three-way or three equal that we do in comparison. Well, first, so let's create two variable. Now we will not create with var, we will create them with const, for example. So const number 5 equal to 5, and here const string 5 equal to 5 also. So now let's do our condition. So to do a condition we type if, and condition between those two like brackets or parentheses. So number 5, let's do just normal one, the 2 equal, so number 5 equal to string 5, and after that we open the bracket, and if this condition is true, the code that's inside this bracket is the one that will be executed. So here let's just put console.log, and here let's type equal, for example. Now let's type also our else, and what else mean is, for example, if this code is not true, this else is the one that will be executed. And here console.log, and here let's type just not equal. So now if I execute this, I will here I have number 5 equal to string, and we have number 5 equal 5 and string 5 equal also 5. So let's run this, and they are equal. That means that this condition is true, so that this code is the one that execute. But now let's add another equal sign. So now we have 3. So now let's run again, and we see that's not equal. Why not equal? And we have here 5 and here also 5. So basically what this like a three equal sign mean is that like they compare the value and also the data type. If we see here, if we type for example console.log, and we see to know for example the data type of a variable, we type type of, and after that the name of our variable. So type of number 5, and here let's also show type of string 5. So type of string 5. Now let's clear and let's run this, and we see that here number 5 is a number and string 5 is a string. And here if I will do here just to 2, so here equal. So now what is two equal sign mean? It compare just value, it compared just this, and basically what it did, it converts our number here to string, and then it compare its value with the number or with string 5. So it compared just this. And three equal sign, what mean? They compare the value and also the data type. Here we have the data type, one is string and the other one is a number. That means they are not the same. That's why when we execute we see that not equal, because they don't, it's true that they have the same value but they don't have the same data type. So this is what three sign mean. We have also, so here for example if we try to use number 5 for example plus string 5, and let's type here just 2, so that this code is the one that will be executed. Now we will delete this. So now run, so clear, run. So this one is true, that means this code is the one that executes. And here even if we type plus, normally we must see just 10, but we didn't see it. Why? Because as I told you, Java or JavaScript convert this number to a string. That's why he put here 5, and this plus, like, he sees it as like a concatenation. That's why he type here 5 and here 5, and they give us this and not 10. So to convert, for example, from a string to a variable, so let's do here, or let's create another const. So const, for example, I will type it number or string convert. So string convert equal to, and we have it called parse int, and between parentheses we put like the name of our string, so 5. And now if I change this in here, let's see what we will have. 10. Why? Because we we changed the data type of the string 5 from string to int with this parse int. We can also use, for example, I will create another one, const, for example, number 2, just 2, for example, and here I can do this, for example, greater than, so run this, not equal, because number 5 is not like less than number 2. But if I type here greater than, I will see 10, this one. I can also here type, for example, greater than or equal. So let's just change here also to 5, and we will see also 10 because they are equal. I can also this one, that's mean they are different, the one for each other, they are different, so clear. So this mean I will also have this not equal. Yeah, because I let them 5 5, so let me change this again to 2, clear, run. 10, because like 5 it's different than 2, that's why we have this block. I can type this just in console log and it will return to me a boolean, even it's true or false. And we can also like have an if inside another if inside another if. That's mean they call them nested if. That's mean here if, and like inside this if I can have another if, for example, if number 5 is greater than number 2, for example. Here also do something. I can have an if without else, but I can't have an else without an if. So here I can type just an if and it's okay, my program will work correctly, but I can't type just an else without an if, so just keep that in mind. And we can also use some logic operator, and basically what logic operator mean, it's like and or. So here, for example, number 5 is different than number 2, and for example number 5 is equal to string 5. So now what I did in here is that in this condition, like, I have two things that need to be right, so that this block will be this block is the one that will be executed. First, those two numbers don't need, like, they need to be different. So number 5, we see that number 5 is different than number 2, and number 5 is need to be equal to string 5. And now we see that the both are true. That's mean this block will be executed. So let's clear and run this, and it's equal. Now we have also the or. So or I will let it with and here I will type 5. So now we see here number 5 is different than number 2. Is that true? Let's see. So here 5 they are the same. That means this one is false, and here we have number 5 is equal to string 5. It's true. So now we have false and true. Which one the JavaScript will choose? So false and true. So just like type the answer in the comment and let me know. So I will run, and not true, because I don't know if you study like the AND table, logic AND table. So I will see if I can show it to you here. So logic AND table, basically like the both need to be here it is. So if we have true and true, that's mean like the output will be true also, true or false, and it's the case. No, this one it's or. The next then our next example. So this one it's the or. For the AND, the both need to be like true. So true and true, it give us true. False and true, or true and false, they will give us false. And false and false, it's obvious it will show us false. So the both need, if we have the AND operator logic, the both need to be true so that this block can be executed. Now if we have false, not false, the AND or, so this one it's false and this one it's true. So we have here false or true. So false or true, Java or our program will choose true. So we will see equal. So clear, run, equal. So false or true, it will give us true. True or false will give us true. True or true, that's obvious, it will give us true, and false or false, that also it's obvious, it will give us false also. So now before like ending our video for today, I will just add another way like for nested if, and it called else if. So I will just delete this from here and I will type it in here. But before that, I want just to show you like how we do for the Boolean type. So here const, for example, test equal false, and here we type just the name of the Boolean type, for example, test. So basically what this mean is like, is test equal true, and here we have test equal false. That mean this code, this condition, it's false. That means this code will not be executed, but this code will. So run, and we see not equal. If we will, or if we want to say, for example, to our if or here in condition that this is not true, that means it's false, we just add this one, that's exclamation mark. So basically what we say here, that if this test is false, run this. If not, or if it's true, run this. So now let's see, run, and we see here equal. This means this condition it's true. And here run this block of code. And we have also else if. So else if, and it need condition also, because we have this if in here. So if, for example, this one it's false, and here, for example, let's type number 5 equal to string 5, for example, cancel log something. So here I will cancel log, don't know, for example, ES web. So basically what this is means. So first Java or JavaScript will first see this if this code is true. So if this code is true, he will execute this one and that's it. If he find like this condition it false, he will move to the else if, and he will also like see this condition. If this condition it's false, he will go directly to else. But if this condition it's true, he will execute what inside the bracket and after that breakout. So here first we have if this test is true and it's false, so that means he will ignore this block and he will go to the else if. So number 5 equal to string 5, they are the same. That means he will like execute this block. So let's see that. So clear, run again, and here it is. He executed this block. But now let's make also this block false, because we have 3 multiple equal sign. This means he will check the variable, the value, and also the data type, and they are different in data type. One is string and the other one is number. So that means those both they are false. That means he will go and execute this else. So let's see here, and here it is not equal. Here we can also, like, if you want, add something like with the logic operator or and. If for example you have long sentences, just put those between parentheses. So the first one between parentheses, and for example and or for example here test. So basically what I did here, first he will check this, he will find it false, so he will type here false. But we have here or, so this one it's we see like the opposite of true, that means false, and test is equal to false. So we have true or false, and we say that he will choose true. So we will see this this is in the console. So let's see this, run, and here it is. So now just go again and try to create more variable with const or with let in, and try for example to do some tests with operating logic or with else if also. Yeah, and you can type as many else if as you want. So here for example else if, I will type this in here. So here, and for example do something for example ep6. So now he will go here, he will find this condition false, he will like check the other one, this one is also false, so he will go and check this one, he will find it true, so that now he will execute this what's inside its bracket. So now let's run, and here it is. If he find also that this one is false, he will go and execute the else. So just go and practice this if and else, and you will like master them. They are very easy and very important in programming. So I think this is all for the condition, and in the next video or in the more video we will learn about function and methods. So see you next.